8 minus 8 is equal to 0. And again, 8 minus 8 is equal to 0 once again. And 0 times 0 is equal to 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to order of operation, which is PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A and S, all of these letters stand for something. So P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stand for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. According of this rule, we have to solve parentheses first. After we solve parentheses, we have to move to exponent. After we solve all the exponents, we have to solve multiplication or division. After we solve the multiplication or division, we have to move to the last priority, addition and subtraction. So according to this rule, if we solve addition or subtraction before multiplication, it is wrong, because the rule clearly states that we have to solve multiplication or division before addition or subtraction. So let's get back into our problem. So we have 8 minus 8 here inside the parentheses, meaning we should solve this problem before we move into other, right? So 8 minus 8 is 0. So we would have 8 minus 8 parentheses 0. So we know that if a number placed next to a parenthesis, that means a multiplication. So the problem becomes 8 minus 8 times 0. And this is basically what it means. So here is where most people get wrong. They subtract 8 from 8, but that is wrong, because according to the order of operation, obviously we have to do the multiplication first, which is 8 times 0, because clearly multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. So 8 times 0 is 0, and 8 minus 0 is just equal to 8. So the final answer to this is 8.